How to pair a Bluetooth device to your LG phone. Pairing a Bluetooth device, such as a portable speaker, headphones, keyboard, wearable, or something else to your LG phone is quick and easy. We'll show you how. First, put the device to be paired into pairing mode. Please refer to the device's owner's manual for instructions on how to do that. Next, on your phone, go to Settings. Then tap on Connected Devices and tap on Bluetooth. Check the toggle at the top right of the screen to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now find the name or model of the device you are pairing with in the list. If the device doesn't show up, tap the refresh button at the top right. If it still doesn't show up after that, put the device into pairing mode again. Then tap on the device you are trying to pair with. If a number code appears, tap on Pair if the code is the same on the phone and the device. Once completed, test your device and make sure it is working correctly. Now enjoy using your device with your LG phone. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.